What is going on, Rish family? We are back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. We left off with putting on the Tsx wheels, the 06, 08, 08 because mine's 08. It looks much better. I got this block off. I want to disassemble it and take it all apart, clean the hell out of it, kind of learn. So yeah. And we got this Accord up, which I'm gonna be going underneath and wire wheeling all that shabazz. Got my little shop doggo right here, right? Right, Sky? Say hi. So I went to Advanced Auto. I think I picked this up at. If you could tell, I'm trying to clean up this shelf right here as well. It's a little bit of a mess, my bad. At least we got some nice space right here because we cleaned out the wheels and tires. Old exhaust is for sale. Anyone in Florida is interested. This hanger broke off. There's a rebar hanger right there, which is all right. And it's a little bit indented right there for clearance purposes on the rear sway bar. If anyone's interested, let me know. Also selling my 09 SI K20Z3 gear set. If anyone's wanting it, let me know. Hit me up on IG, man. That's where you guys can contact me the best. As always, of course, the thing that I bought, which I already tested it, but I just want to show you guys now. Something that I bought. I mean, you would think this is like a pretty universal like thing. It doesn't attach to the one in there anyway. I guess I have to see if I can find a different tool. It was a couple bucks, so I'll hold on to that because I use the valve stems. Don't you guys love that? Don't you love that? You buy some stuff and it doesn't fucking work, it's not the right thing, or whatever the case may be. This motor right here, I'm gonna try to wait for my girl. She's working at the moment, so I'm gonna probably wait for her to come so she could try to break this down because I want her to learn some more too. So, what am I up to? Why do I have this fucking thing out? Downpipe exhaust is kind of in my way with the subframe area that I want to wire wheel some more. And it's really cruddy. So, it's gonna cut off after the cat. Chop shop. We steal your cats. You pull your cars in here and chop off your cats. You already know. Oh. This thing is all the way over here. Look at that, just like that. I stole your cat. Watch out for Rish, man. It is another day. It is Tuesday, but I put in a little PTO day for Wednesday. It is my Friday. Nice long weekend break to get some hopefully good amount of car work done and buy some stuff on the Black Friday deals and spend some money. So, anywho, doing some Honda Accord things. I put the old wheels back on the rear. Doing some cleaning. It's looking and feeling much better. Clearing out some spaces, making that feel a lot more open. Throwing shit out that's not needed. We bought a couple shop banners, shop flags.
Dang.
Some nice cool stuff in the background. So there's one. We got multiple. We got flavors.
Flavors.
A little bit of flavors. If you guys, want to send your boy something for his birthday or something, some shop aesthetics, it'd be awesome. If you guys ever have any ideas, just shop aesthetics. Anything you guys want to see constantly in the background. That's all I really need. If you guys have a company or brand and you want me to use your products and, give my review or something that's car related or clothing or whatever, let me know. I can do that too. You see? I got a dress for the occasion. Feel me? Just like the hat. When I seen it, I was like, oh shit, I got a hat that look like that. Do I have enough wall for this stuff though? Like, where it all began for the channel, you feel me? On the Tsx, right there. So we added this one right here. This one looks pretty dope. I like the area for it. Perfect spot, honestly. It looks sick. And then, let's go over here. As you can see, a nice Honda racing one right there. We're gonna have to buy more to have inside my office. So, let me know what you guys think. If you think we should move it somewhere else. Honestly, I like the area for those two. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all. Tomorrow's Black Friday, which means I'm gonna go to Speed Zone tomorrow. I'm gonna buy some parts. I've been kind of waiting around for like the little deals. Maybe start having some sort of progress. That's all I want, man, because it's been kind of like a standstill. Aches me in my soul.
Aches us.
Yeah, aches us in our soul, man. I really would love to be driving this car. Tomorrow's Black Friday, and Sunday, which is in 3 days, is my birthday. It would be nice to be able to cruise this, but I can't. It is Thanksgiving today. Just want to say happy Thanksgiving to you guys, and I'm grateful for you for supporting me and making these videos constantly possible. I just want to update you guys a little bit. I started sanding down front radiator support. I finished up wire wheeling underneath the whole subframe, pulled this car out, gave it the whole shabazz. Spray it down with degreaser, scrub it, wash it out. So I got that little pressure washer, that Ryobi. I've had it for a little while now, but last time I tried to use it, it wasn't working. We have the other pressure washer over there, but that is like the gas one and whatnot. That thing's just gonna be hella loud. We did eat, you already know. Boy's a little bit tired and full. Big belly gang. Had a little bit of wine, some Vikings blood. We chilling, we relaxing. All this talking, I just want to show you guys real quick. All this, I was debating on like taking off the fenders and whatnot so I could get underneath of this. I wish I had a good compressor at the moment so I could really like get down to rust with like air tools. I'm gonna show you guys what else I got bored, so I felt like I wanted to do. So we got this head right here. I just started like spraying it down. I'm just soaking it with some degreaser, Purple Power. Just seeing if I could clean it up. So you guys kind of see the little bit before. Like, you see all that. Looking cruddy. The inside looking cruddy. I want to see if I could strip it down too from the black paint. Tomorrow. Work girl over here, having her bring her whole, you know, work phone and laptop. That's the perks of working at home. It is Black Friday today. We're on our way to Speed Zone at the moment. I'm gonna have to stop at the bank so I can take some cash money out. We are finally gonna start buying some parts for the TSX. Some of these turbo parts, I was waiting for like some of the extra deals to come about. Who doesn't like to save some money? We are almost at Speed Zone, you know, my wallet ready for some deals and shit, you feel me? Don't look at my bank info. If you guys want my card, just ask though. Next video I'll just show it to you so you guys could like screenshot it and then make your own copies. We're like 3-4 minutes away from Speed Zone at the moment, so we are gonna go bother Jesus for some deals and be like, yo, where my deals at? Yo, get the fuck out the way. Hey. He's probably like, what the fuck? He didn't even want to look. He's like, this is Florida. So we are pulling up the Speed Zone right now, right now. CRV, Billy. Unfortunately, we're with the Prius. That thing is fucked up right there. So far, taking this fuel pump. Stop barking at me! Don't bark at me! Also gonna be getting the PLM sidewinder and maybe like head gasket and things like that. Little things here and there. Shit, man. Don't see my address. 2 things of many. Then also got the sidewinder. There's a lot to be bought still. And there's a lot of tempting things that I don't need exactly just yet. Hitting up hybrid for this shebang and some other things. Gotta get into the car before my girl gets hangry. Shout out to my guy Jesus at Speed Zone and Billy for always just being good vibes and hooking it up. A little bit of savings here and there. Savings is savings, y'all, so I appreciate them greatly. I told them to get me a banner and stuff because your boy needs a banner. So I only bought these 3 things. The sidewinder is gonna get shipped to us. We're probably gonna ship it out like Monday because it is like the holidays and shit. I completely forgot about like a blow-off valve and stuff, so I gotta figure out which wastegate I want to go with. I'll update you guys more when we're not driving. As you guys could tell, it's pretty high up. Getting ready to bring this out. Gotta do it real slowly because I don't know how good this is. If you have a little bit of resistance but still pull. It's so nice to have this open space right here. It's pretty unusual. It hasn't been like this in a little while. Let's give more of an opportunity. And I'll be outside and clean this up. Keep this moving. Trying to just bang this out a little bit. I'm in the mix of trying some testers with this head. See what helps clean it. Thankfully my pressure washer works, so I could come over here and actually rinse this off real quick, and that would be nice. And then I could use these other products that I bought, give it a shot. Yeah, I got this nice thing. Bro, this thing works like a charm. Show how dirty and grimy it is. It's a little harder to tell because of the water now. It's pretty filthy. Treat it with the rust removal and protection. We'll get there when we get there, but I wanted to show you guys this thing because it just works so well. So you just sit here and you pump it up. A couple bucks, man. This thing works great. Look how good that covers. Look at that. Look at that. This thing is awesome. This was like $4 or $5 or something. Car is gonna sit for a bit, and also just gonna be drying and whatnot. So some plugs obviously are gonna get wet. I'm gonna hit it with the compressor, and it's gonna be drying for a while. I think we should be good. Double action. Slide. So, as you guys could tell, it got dark out pretty quick like. I basically scrubbed everything and pressure washed it all, and I hit it with the leaf blower real quick, that thing right there. Hit it with that real quick just to kind of get the big bunches of water out, and hopefully the connectors will be alright. So since we got that squared away, got the spare head here trying to clean up, do some little testers on. And since my pressure wash works, I could come in here and give it the first go around rinse. It was a lot dirtier. So far, Purple Power, it's been doing decent. Oh, the pressure wash.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.